Hello, my name is Parrot. I'm 11 years old.
Hello, Myra. How are you today?
I'm good.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, let's start. Now, let's talk about subjects. How many subjects do you have in school?
I have 7 subjects in
What are
school. Um,
they?
they are science, Vietnamese, math, sport, IT, English, and art.
Very good. Now, which subject is your favorite?
My favorite subject is art.
Which subject is difficult for you?
For me, math is difficult.
Which subject is easy for you?
For me, IT is easy.
Which subject is interesting for you?
For me, Vietnamese is interesting.
Very good. Now, look and tell me what are they made of?
Sweater make is made of wool. Window is made of glass. Shelf is made of wood. Knife and spoon and fork. They are made of metal. Magazine is made of paper.
Very good. Now, give me 5 activities that you did last week.
Last week, I cooked dinner. Cooked dinner. Last week, um, I had breakfast. Last week, I I watched TV. And last week, I play basketball.
Now, look and tell me what time is it?
It's 6 o'clock.
Now, what do you do at 6 o'clock in the morning?
At 6 o'clock in the morning, I wake up.
What time is it?
It's 8:15.
What do you do at quarter past 8 in the morning?
At 8:15 in the morning, um, um, I have breakfast.
What time is it?
It's quarter to 5. 12.
Now, what do you do at quarter to 12 in the morning?
At quarter to 12 in the morning, I watch TV.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
What do you do at half past 3 in the afternoon?
At 3:30 in the afternoon, I eat lunch.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
What do you do at 8 o'clock in the
At
evening?
8 o'clock in the evening, I have I have watched Wash the bowl,
The dishes.
dishes.
What time is it?
It 10:30.
What do you do at 10:30 in the evening?
At 10:30 in the evening, I go to bed.
Very good. Anything you have?
Goodbye.